Good day, Miss. We're from BIS-IT 3C and today we'll be presenting our project in the online fake news detection system. So, introduction. So, today's is digital age. Information travels faster than ever. Social media platforms allow news, both real and fake, to reach millions of people seconds. The problem is most users share content without stopping to verify if it's actually true. So our project addressing this growing concern by offering a simple and accessible way to check the credibility of online news. Then problem identification. So exactly what exactly the problem. So social media has made of the credibility easy to for anyone to post and share content. So this means fake news spread just fast, sometimes ever faster than real news. The consequences are serious and confusion, fair and widespread. So misunderstanding among the public. So we believe these problems that needs and immediately and practical solutions. Then targets and user needs. So who are the building this for? So our system's targets is student, user, and journalists, social media users, and everyday internet users. So basically, anyone who consumes news online. So these users have two key needs. So first is a fast, reliable way to detect fake news, and second, a system that gives clear and understandable result without requiring technical expertise. So that's the user needs and need to use this our system. So customer validation. So customer validation is to confirm that this problem is real, and we conducted surveys, interviews, and indirectly observation. The finding is very consistent. Many users genuinely struggle to distinguish fake news from credible information. So this validation tells is us the demand for our solution is both real and orient. So that's our customer validation and key findings. So many users struggle to identify fake news, confirming that problem is both real and relevant, and thus the solution is needed now. Then purpose of solution. So there wait purpose of solution. Then we explore several possible solutions, so including awareness campaigns and seminars. So but ultimately, in the one fake news online detection stood out to the most effective answer. Why? So because it's the practical, scalable, and accessible to a wide range and of users doesn't just educate. So if it actively helps users to verify information and the real time. And opportunity in competition mapping. So a strong market potential because fake news is continuous to spread rapidly on online social media and online platforms. So existing the competitors such as Google Facts and check tools and Meta, Snopes and PolitiFact and etc. And mainly rely to manual fact checking or platform based in moderation. So which creates an opportunity to for a faster and more accessible solution. So with growing use for AI and machine learning, so as well as the increasing demand for a real time. So verification tools, our system can provide practical web-based platform that helps users check information before sharing it in online platform media. And the what is the prototype? So our prototype this system is before we dive to our system. So let's talk about the how develop it. So we start with a prototype and early working models of the product. So prototypes is us to test or our ideas, evaluate to design, and observe how user interact with system. So all before investing of all development. So this save times and resources and helps to us catch issue early. That's what is prototype. Then prototype fidelity labels. So there are low, medium, high fidelity. So we through through the three levels of prototyping, we start off prototyping we low fidelity, so simple sketches and paper and wireframes to map out to concept. So then we move to medium fidelity digital mock-ups to test the layout and navigation. So finally we develop the high fidelity, so interact prototype that's closely resemble to final product completely with real functionality and polished design. So that's type. The last part is to interact the system to how to use the our system to check. So that's prototype fidelity labels. So what is an MVP? So MVP are after prototyping we define our minimum viable product or MVP. The MVP is the most basic functional version of our systems. So it includes only the core of features needed to work, and the goal is to launch the real users to gather their feedback and use those insights to continuously to improve the product. So it's a smarter, linear way to build this system. So let's start to the conclusion. So the problem and the solution, the path forward. So key the takeaways to complete. So there to wrap up the topic, to make fake news is a serious and growing the problem is our digital world. So our online fake news detection system offers a practical solution that empowers user to verify information, the empower user to before they share it the social media platform. So through carefully prototyping and BP approach, and we are confident that system can be developed into effectively and impactful tools. So that's the system our today to use to. That's all. Thank you.